je kod mene nešto, Lazo.
Pa nije štekalo kod
Je.
mene, baš.
Pogotovo kad se nešto događalo.
Ma nije. Pig, kill it!
To nema noge, nek je malo.
Rekao si
Minecraft.
da
Naučio si u Minecraftu.
Colin iz Lupa.
Da, Colin.
Hey Colin.
Da ga ubi.
To nema noge dok je malo.
Pa da, pa svinje nema.
O, blood.
Blood?
A smijem polizat.
Svinja nema noge.
Prvo stati to.
I hope this isn't Chris's ketchup.
Opet nisam niš pokupio.
Fresh, ajoj.
Sad hodat po tom, blood on my shoes. Idemo dalje. No!
Vodimo. Fuck her before she gets
Štef! Ne!
Fuck her before she gets cold.
No god.
Sick.
Gore je dim,
No, it's
oh.
bestiality, man.
Bestiality is not sick.
It's a way of life.
Yeah, it's a waste of
Bestiality
love.
is life.
Šta ima u kolima?
U kolima. Sad ću ja da ukradem po kolima.
Nešta.
Ništa.
Ali smijem koristit mač. Forester's Sword. Nice. O! Ja sam se teleportirao. Futuristic stuff right here.
Koristi si magiju, ipak ima magije u...
Pa dok se
Father's Code.
zmajevi rode, dobije se magija isto, vrati
Da.
se sva u svijet. To je teorija. A uz magiju i White Walkers.
O, ko je to? Ko je to?
Po izgledu ne prepoznajem.
Nije javi.
Aaaa.
Zašto ukus svinje?
Zašto ubijaju Štefa 2?
Bacon.
We love bacon so much!
Oh!
on, boy. There's nothing for you here.
Ali ja baš bi.
I want some bacon.
Father!
Draw sword!
No,
Ne, ubij ih.
I recognize you. You're a forester squire.
Zašto ih nisi ubio?
Former Stark bannermen have no claim on land anymore. Or haven't you heard? The Starks are dead.
I ti si mrtav, ubrzo. O!
Where'd you get that sword?
Od tvoje mame.
Not a chance that sword is his. Must have stolen it. Out here
Aha,
by
ubio
himself.
si čovjeka za to.
Da.
You deserter.
Aha.
I killed a man for it.
Did you?
Aha.
Why don't I believe you?
Cause you're stupid!
Da, gledao kak te... Ne može je indržati.
That sword's too big for you, boy.
That's what she said.
Off my land.
Ah!
Bolton land now, boy.
Aj, taj smeh ti ga.
Bolton.
It's the new
Ovi su
one.
Boltonovi.
I reckon he like a proper lordly sword like that.
Boltonovi, za kog su oni?
Nećeš?
Boltonovi, oni su bili za Starka, ali su ga izdali.
I
Nećeš.
oni.
Da.
No. I'll have that sword, boy.
Da, dobro.
Sam probaj!
Da. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Bitch!
Oh,
Badass.
Uh-oh!
oh.
That's no good!
Mislim da si trebao vježbati prvo.
Uh-oh. Ah! Ja hoću taj mač, daj mi mač.
Daj vrati, ajmo ispočetka.
Može druga, runda
Isti
2.
treba igrat.
Patetično.
Aj mi vrati. O, može.
To je već tvoje oružje.
Ili,
Ne, bile.
da.
Long range.
Pikni!
Nećeš.
Pikni ga.
Šta ćeš sad, a? Sad sjekiru.
Sad ćeš sa sjekirom ovog drugog.
A on ima spear.
Pa ono, sjetiš
No.
s kopljom, primiš koplju i...
Sad ću ovaj. Bitch! Dobio sam mač. Daj ga.
Jel to onaj veliki mač?
Yes. Oh god!
Sad ćeš morat ići do ovih, Herschela.
Bitch! Nećeš! Jebe mu mater.
Što će druga noga?
Ja se moram staviti na njegu.
Lazo, to nije smiješno.
Da, mercy, jebem ti mater!
Ubi ga.
Ubi ga.
I have a family, imao sam i ja,
Imaš i
kurva.
ti, da.
Nope! Jebi se. Nećeš! Ode glava. Baci mač na njega. Zašto sam stojao?
Ubi konja!
Ej!
Ne Lazo, Lazo nije niš napravio tu.
Oj, kako sam bedan.
Osim što ga je...
Imam sad tatu.
Kak može trčat s tom nogom?
Da, kak je sad trčao?
Lada?
Tata?
Ubi ga.
Sine!
You survived.
Jusufe!
Jusufe.
Ne slušaj mi po prodavnici.
Tvoj sestra, ona sakrila se.
Ja, sestra, imaš sestru?
Koliko ima godina?
Ovo sad bi Lazo, Horace Dick.
No!
Papa! Je m'appelle Console le Baguette.
Još je to pao.
Oh god.
Lazo ne prekini.
Sam mišljam da možeš napraviti bacon na tate.
Human bacon.
Tatin bacon.
That bacon.
Come on.
Let's get some.
Iron Wrath!
Haraf!
Stronghold of House Forrester. Dobro, idemo. Gdje mi je ujak?
Where's my uncle?
Where is he?
Where is he?
It's Garrett.
Evo Laze.
It's Gerard!
Tell him his nephew survived.
Ajde prođe, dođi.
Ne do mene. Chase.
Svi te imaju. Au!
Joj, do sad je hoda i sad je baš pao.
I trčao i hode. Šta radio?
Gledaj scenu.
Already dead.
Svi su mrtvi.
Bring the base.
Dramatizira,
Meet us in
bez
the Great
veze.
Hall. Quickly.
Već je zarasla rana i sve. Dramatizira. Idemo koga ćemo ovdje upoznat.
Two White Hill soldiers and a Bolton. They killed my family. And for what?
Za šteku cigara.
For bacon.
She was only 8 years
He doesn't
old.
like bacon.
Samo je 8 godina.
This never would have happened with
Never
the
mind.
Starks
Too
in
old.
power.
Hello bear.
Unacceptable.
Oh my
Never
god.
mind.
You have my condolences. Thank you, Maester.
Snow, a ghost.
The blade cut deep, but I should be able to save your
I
leg.
bolje ti je.
Ne, ja bi baš bio
Justice
cool
was
bez
swift.
nogi.
Some will call it vengeance. No doubt the White Hills will claim it was
Znam
murder.
da sad dobiješ
It
na
was your
nos.
family. I
Oh,
can't say
It
I
was
was any
justice.
different than you.
Svaki to u stvari Raiden.
They got
E,
indeed.
šta se priča?
We can't let the White Hills just walk all over us. These maggots ought to help prevent infection.
I bolje.
What maggots?
Hold the wound open for me, would you?
Još megece u nozi.
Ne, stavit će maggots. Oni jedu trulo mesa. Otvori, sam. Tak.
Oh god.
Sad će metnut magote unutra. Vidio sam previše japanskih filmova da znam kod ovo ide.
To lose the lord of the house and the eldest son through such a despicable act of treachery and betrayal.
Čim zašit?
Ne, oni će
The
prvo
houses
pojest
and hours
po
have fallen
mesu.
in times such as this. The late Lord Forrester was a good
That's
lord.
how it
And
works.
poor Roderick.
I...
A serious
Our house will never fall.
lord. Our house will never fall.
Vai.
By the gods, let's hope you're right. The future of this house is in Lord Ethan's hands now, although he's young and altogether unprepared to lead. Right. This might hurt a bit.
Malo.
Šta će boljeti?
Hold this for me, will you?
He's gonna put it up my butt.
I understand from your uncle that Lord Forrester saved your life. He did.
I got this, bro.
Odd, though, that he chose to save you, his squire, and not his son Roderick. Roderick couldn't handle himself. He's as good with a sword as any man who's
Jel to moj ujak?
Ne, to je meister.
Onda ništa.
Sigurno.
Ujak koji samo smijem reći.
already fallen. There's nothing we could do. Well, I'd imagine Lord Forrester would sacrifice himself to save anyone. I all know.
Give meni jedan.
Lady Forrester will be here any moment now.
Put it in my
I'd like
butt.
you to walk for me
I mean,
first,
twat.
to see if you can put any weight on that leg.
Šta je ovo sir gore?
A sad lijepo hodam.
It's my cheese.
Go on,
It's his
cream.
cum.
let's stop now.
Nice.
my
Let's just let the blood circulate.
Homemade.
It's good homemade.
Okej, da vidimo što sve ima.
Touch bucket.
Touch bucket.
feels so...
Rather cute little creatures, aren't
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I guess.
Ja lik snijem žvakat.
Bear Grylls bi sad poludio. Uuuu, nam.
Prvo si htio dirat, sad ih ješ te gledat.
Ja.
To žvačeš i onda...
Ti ne raste novo oko.
I sad si usta samo.
I to.
Bandažes. Metni.
This could be useful.
Da, to samo stavlja
Brišem guzicu.
Ne, neću mu pokazat mač. Samo ujaku.
You seem to be favouring it. Always sad to see a warrior lose a leg.
I'm fine, Mr. Tingrin. Look, I'll show you.
Pokazat ću ti. Pokazat ću ti, vidiš, mogu plesat.
Daj sad odi do svog ujaka.
Zašto ne ovdje vidiš šta ima?
Sjedni na to.
Ne moraš samo lukatat.
Fuck. Sjedni.
Razvi prozor i skoči iz njega.
Resident Evil 4 style.
Da.
Best game ever style. Oh.
Da.
Tell the Meister.
The Ironwood Grove.
Ne. Zašto nismo u Winterfell otišli?
Koji Winterfell?
Znao kada je propak.
Joj.
Idemo pričat.
Auć.
Šta je?
Košpor orangutan. Kako se zove?
Did your leg feel weak?
No.
Gerd.
I just wanted to ask you,
A ovaj.
A?
What do you next?
who is the new Lord of House Forrester?
Why, Ethan, of course.
Ethan, of course. A joj, njega ne volim.
Ko je Ethan?
I swore an
On me
oath to serve
zajebavao da
whichever
smo imali
noble
2
house I
godine.
was assigned.
Pikno me
Advising
je
the late
prstom u
Lord
guzicu.
Forrester was an honor.
Ja da mu nikad nisam oprostio.
My born son is
1000 years of pain!
There's still so much he has to learn. Yet the very
1000
fate
godina
and
boli.
future of this house rests in his hands. Which is rather frightening when you think about it.
Why do the Whitehills hate the Forresters?
I think it's safe to say the feeling is mutual. There's been enmity between the two houses for as long as anyone can remember. I don't doubt someone killed someone, which led to more killings of someones, and then, well...
Someone killed someone and then that someone killed another one.
Nice storytelling, bro.
Whitehills want Forrester Ironwood.
Huh? They'd take it all if we'd let them. Especially now that the
Vjerojatno ćemo
Bolton's in
vidjeti u
power.
idućoj
They
sceni.
proceed to
Se
clear cut
primaka i
every
to.
last inch of it until
I
there's
can't wait.
nothing left.
Less
For the boobs,
meaners.
Just as they did before.
What will happen to me now?
Excellent question.
Excellent question.
Pa čuj,
Circumstances, you could join
pošto si ovako ošćat,
men.
možemo juhu od tebe
Although given the
napraviti.
circumstances of your circumstances, it becomes
Circumstances of your circumstances.
Those will be for Lord Ethan to decide.
Lord Forrester promoted me. At the Twins, I'm no longer a squire, if that matters.
It might, I suppose. But I'll defer to Lord Ethan on this.
Aw.
Can I see Ethan? Is he here?
He is, but I'm afraid he's indisposed at the moment.
Na,
He
seksa
prefers
se.
not to be disturbed while practicing his lute.
Ja,
Šta
seksa se.
practicing his...
Can I go now?
I believe your leg will be fine.
Uh-huh.
Any time will tell.
Oh.
He's doing the
Lady Forrester.
one-eyed snake handshake.
We're all relieved to know you survived.
Thank you, my lady.
Hi, my lady.
Tally
Show
asked to
boobies,
see you.
please.
Boobies,
Garrett,
please.
I heard what happened.
Aw, ko ti je to?
Is it true?
My family died.
Sad ju poljubi i kaže, this is my sister.
The number one prostitute in Kazakhstan.
In all Iron Well.
Off to bed now. Hurry on.
Off the bed now.
Where's me uncle?
Čuj, ko je to napravio?
Garrett was just telling me how valiantly Lord Forrester
Ovo
fought to the
ženskica
end.
malo.
Nemam
All
pojma.
was lost.
Check.
I'm sure Lady Forrester would like to know.
He was a hero, my lady.
My lady.
The bravest man on the battlefield by far.
Yet he was unable to save his own son.
Aj čuti.
Aj, ovo.
You
To je
were
onaj
with
drugi
Roderick,
stvari, jel?
I'm
Ne,
sure
Roderick
it was
je...
chaos
No.
in you. But if you can remember anything, I'm sure Lady Forrester would like to
Sam
know.
ja zgazio.
Da, pao si na njega.
Valiantly, my lady.
Bravo, Lazo.
Of course he did.
Sam za kolje se dobro
House
lika.
Forrester's best.
Pa ti si htio. You made me do it.
This has been so incredibly difficult for
Watch
us,
this story,
especially the children. But I was told you were the last to see my husband alive.
Yes, my lady.
I know it may be difficult to remember, but if I may ask,
Any last words before
Ne!
pass?
Nemoj that much.
If you can remember.
He said he loved you.
Lies.
I'll laugh, maybe I'll get some.
you have the forester's sword.
Ne!
Ne!
Hey.
Halo!
Now that he is Lord.
Lord Forrester asked me to return it to the house.
God
Said
damn
this
it.
is where it belongs. With his family.
A, da, zapravo sam to I treba napraviti.
My lady.
But it's mine!
Ali sviđa mi se.
It's too dangerous,
Gladak je.
especially now.
I'll be
Jel
sure
to
it's
taj
given
tip?
to Ethan.
Ko je sad to uletio?
Duncan, this was our
Ne sviđa mi
land.
se, ima facu.
They were our people. Your family.
Well, family!
Mislim da mi to je uvijek.
Outrage, Sir Royden. I do.
Taj.
But now is not the time to provoke the White
Ja, to je
Hills.
isti
Not with
pogled.
Ramsay
Snow
Snow.
coming to see us bend the knee.
The hell with
Ramsay.
Snow, that
See his
bastard.
band.
Garrett, you understand what this means. You killed a Bolton, and Ramsay Snow will want his retribution.
I don't care.
Ramsay, jel to
We're the
onaj
ones that should be
bolesni tip?
demanding retribution. This happened on Forrester land.
They attacked me.
And they'll say they were keeping
Als dat
the
er niet
peace
is.
in the name of House Bolton.
Nisu da.
It's an argument you cannot win.
Ne znam, pobijat ćemo i njih i dole.
Ramsay Snow will
Mislim,
be here within a
joj.
week.
Kill everybody.
And what would you have us do? Nothing.
Pa to pisac hoće, ali treba imat neki...
While they're still attached to our shoulders.
Neki izvor,
Garrett has
znaš
lost as
šta
much
je.
as anyone else within these
Razlog.
But
walls.
why?
Maybe you
Because
can
the
talk
reason.
sense.
Da to mi je uncle.
Garrett's suffered enough already. You
Uncle
asked him
Jamie.
to take
He
him.
deserves
Let's the man
We
justice.
should demand justice.